If you're stuck around your first 100 sales and whatnot, the biggest mistake you can make is thinking you need to stream longer to grow. You really don't. I've personally done over 1,700 sales on whatnot, and honestly, scaling to 1,000 sales is honestly way more to do with consistency, systems, and kind of repeat buyers than really just sitting on a live for like 10 hours a day or something like that. A lot of new sellers burn themselves out because they're trying to do everything at once. Huge inventory, massive streams, constant giveaways, nonstop scheduling, and everything and eventually everything will just disappear from the app completely. What actually helped me scale was simplifying everything. Consistency overall. For me, Pokemon cards worked because people know what they are, they understand the value, they come back constantly, especially if they think my products or inventory are good quality cards, cool cards, illustration rares, etc., etc. The next thing is you really need to stop worrying about having the biggest inventory. Smaller but cleaner streams are honestly way more bigger or better than a giant messy stream where buyers get confused, you have random cards, they're all out of shape or they're all in bad shape, instead of just like a clear one good stream of near mint cards, opposed to like a bunch of damaged cards or something. Third, honestly, repeat customers instead of chasing random viewers, talking to people, having common interest, or something like that. Similarities are a big thing too. Packaging things safely, shipping fast, again, is something that kind of gains the buyer's trust, and that keeps them coming back for more. And certain cards, little things like that add up over time. Honestly, one of the biggest things that helped me was creating systems outside of whatnot too. I do YouTube videos as you're watching right now, social media clips, showing packaging setups, inventory, everything like that. That kind of brings more of a new kind of life to it, where I'm not burnt out as easy too. So this kind of helps with the burnout as well. You don't really need to stream every day to grow. What you really need is consistency over everything. 2 or 3 quality streams a week is better than a random stream every day for a month, honestly. So keep your system simple. Keep shipping organized. Don't overspend trying to look massive immediately. Scale slowly and actually learn what your audience buys and what they want from you. Because getting your first 100 sales is hard, but going from 100 to 1,000 gets way easier once people trust you, trust your streams, and know you're consistent. That is the biggest thing, as we've said through this entire video, is consistency. Now, again, make sure you're staying consistent. You don't need big cards, big streams. You start slow at first, scale very slow. Start with your own collection and what you're able and what you're willing to give up. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, because I'll be posting more videos on whatnot growth strategies, selling tips, and way more ways to scale without burning yourself out. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.